So for today, I'm gonna be trying a drink that is new. It is a new winter one after the holiday ones have already went off of the menu. And, excuse me, y'all. So I'm gonna be trying one of the ones that just went off of the menu. Everyone to try, so I'm gonna give it a try. And I also wanted to just share the other recipe with you all because when I got up to the window, I finally found it and the guy was like, you're gonna have to circle around. But anyways, check it out. Hey, can I get a pistachio frappuccino?
Thank you.
So the wait for my pistachio frappuccino drink was not long at all. Before you knew it, the man was opening up the window and handing my pistachio frappuccino. I did get it in a tall because I did not want too much. Okay, so this is pistachio frappuccino. Got some little gold dots up on the top. So they say that the pistachio frappuccino is blended to satisfy all of your winter cravings. So they say it is creamy. It definitely does give off a pistachio taste, and I honestly think that it's really, really good. It took me the second time to try it, and I was literally finished with this drink within 20 minutes. Let me just say, I never am finished with a drink within 20 minutes from Starbucks, so I guess that means it really is good. So all you need to order is a tall pistachio frappuccino, and definitely don't try to overdo it, and the sprinkles on top were amazing. Okay, so it's a brand new day. I am over here at Starbucks. You guys probably can't see it, but I am about to go over to the drive-thru and order a secret menu drink, so join me. Okay, so you're gonna wanna go and order a vanilla bean frappuccino with 2 pumps of hazelnut syrup and 1 pump of vanilla syrup. So let's give this a try. And I definitely need some breakfast this morning before heading off to work.
All right, so it's gonna be 26.94 the window.
Thank you. Okay, so I end up getting 2 extra drinks while I'm already here to try before work. So I end up getting the wedding cake one, which I will post here. And then I also went ahead and got the pink cotton candy drink, and I'll post that one here. So yeah, we're gonna try to give this a taste test before I head off to work. And yeah, this is our adult beverage for this morning because I'm telling you, it's a Tuesday, it feels like a Monday, and I'm going to need every bit of it. Okay, so this is the cake batter one. I'm gonna give it a try. It definitely tastes like cake batter. Oh, it's really good. Okay, so this is the wedding cake one. I don't get the wedding cake vibes, but definitely give it a try. It's good. It's still sweet, you know, but I don't get that wedding cake vibe. Okay, last but not least is the cotton candy one, so let's give that a try. Oh yeah, definitely tastes like cotton candy. So yeah, I'll have those pictured here at the end. And yeah, thanks guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video. And definitely my favorite was the cotton candy, which I had to show a clip of me walking around the classroom drinking some.